All right. Uncle picked this up. Pretty sweet ride. Only one issue. I'm gonna bring you down here and maybe we can get to it. It does not start. Can you see that? Somebody drilled holes in the head. There's probably some on the other side. So I don't know, like I've never seen this before, and I wonder if someone like sabotaged this to sort of get a deal because it would not run or what. But you can totally see, like right here, that's a drill bit. Fucking meth heads out here, I swear to God. All right, here's a view from the other side of the head, and yeah, I mean, what in the world? Who would do that?